Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel for day 190. This was the 8th of March, 2023, a Wednesday. So I did exercise, I worked on books, I did ACA business, insurance business, and I had a coaching session for Zen Arbitrage yesterday. And my gratitude is all the people who are helping me with my insurance contracts, all the administrative back and forth. It's been a nightmare to get all that set up, but I'm really getting into the swing of things, and I'm very grateful for all the people who have helped me do all that, because it's a lot. I've been asking a lot of time from a lot of different people. So thanks to all of them. I'm very grateful for all the help that people have given me. I don't take any of it for granted. So thank you so much, and I'm grateful for you for watching this. Like, comment, subscribe. I will talk to you tomorrow.